train to New York City and going to check out Central Park. Sit down.
This is the train to Journal Square. Make a stop at 27th Street, 14th Street, 19th.
That huge building right there is the Empire State Building. After our ride on the train, we came into the city, and now we're going to take a bike tour around Central Park.
This is 843 acres. That's how large the park is. It represents 10% of the total size of Manhattan. It's been around since 1857. You know, everything looks beautiful, lush, and natural. Nothing in Central Park is natural. Every pond, every bush, everything has been added in.
It's fun. And also kind of new. Never ridden a bike like this.
Yeah, we're just gonna go explore the area a little bit, guys. Come follow me.
If you watch the movie Stuart Little, you'll know that they live in New York City, here by Central Park. Well, when Stuart Little rode on the Wasp boat in the boat race, it actually took place in this very pond. Big one. And it's wow!
There's a lot of walking on this bike tour, but it's because they're taking us to all these sites that we can't otherwise access. And it's great to have a tour guide. We're getting to see all the inside scoop.
To the turtle pond! So we'll see. An amazing ride. It was a 2-hour ride and it took you all around Central Park. The tour guide was really nice.
Yeah, we had a really great tour guide and a super sweet family that was biking around Central Park with us. Made the whole experience just awesome. It was so fun to explore all the different famous spots in Central Park and get through it pretty quickly since we were on bikes. Made it a little easier with kids with us.
Yeah.
So now we're just heading out to get a piece of New York style pizza.
We'll see how it is compared to Chicago style.
Finished our pizza, and now we're heading back into Central Park. We're gonna go over to the pond.
Yeah, I let the kids pick something that we saw on the bike tour to go back and see, and they chose that. So we're going to rent a sailboat, and they'll get 30 minutes to race them around on the pond.
Could be fun.
This is gonna be awesome. I'm super excited. I see sailboats on the water right now, and it looks like their sails are actually pulling them along because the boats are tilted. This is my sailboat number 31, and I'm just about to sail it out into the lake. So it works just like a real sailboat. You have a sail, this is your sail, so if I have it up, I'm looking and searching for the wind. Right now I am searching for the wind, and I actually got some right now. And then this is going to be my rudder, so I'm going to be able to turn with that. I hope you enjoyed this video. Bye!